Passive income doesn't exist. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly why passive income doesn't exist. You can get automated income. It's a big difference. Let's get right into it. So from the moment that you start to get online, you start following business influencers, you start getting sold this dream of passive income. Forex trading bots, stock trading bots, e-commerce models, all the different things that you can do that's passive. I'm here to tell you guys that passive income does not exist. There is not a business model that exists that is not full of constant complications and headaches. Now, can you bring in people, systems, and process to deal with those? Yes. And is that automated? Yes. But the reason it's not passive is because it takes bandwidth. Every single rental property you add as an Airbnb takes bandwidth. And if you don't have a team, they're calling you late at night. So, and in this video, I want to tell you what I think are the two best ways to take advantage of an automated business in 2024 if you're just now starting your business journey. The first thing you have to understand is the ladder of delegation. So if you want to automate a business, you have to understand the ladder of delegation. The first ring on that ladder is admin. If you own a business and you don't have the admin stuff off your plate, you are a hustler. If you're doing your emails, your Slack messages, your bills, your calendar, you haven't delegated that admin rung on the delegation ladder, and you're going to be stuck in a bad place for a very long time. Then from there, go to fulfillment. Are you running an agency where you fulfill on email marketing? Well, can you hire team members to do the fulfillment for you? So whatever is tied to directly fulfilling the product. Now you have admin and fulfillment, and you're buying back more of your time to focus on creating that automated cash flow machine. Then you can go to marketing. Now you're going to delegate marketing or leads to the process of getting those. There's two ways to do that. You can go hire agencies or you can build it in-house. Either one works, it's up to you. In my opinion, I like starting with fractional help, meaning I like to start with being that agencies and then eventually bring that in-house as we have more revenue and more bandwidth. Because you don't want to create too much operational drag on a business, which is you're doing too many things at once. Nothing is the priority. That's the reality of business. With that being said, then you get rid of your marketing. Now you have your product being fulfilled, leads coming in every day, and you have your admin work delegated. The next thing is going to be sales. So that's going to be who's actually selling the product. That is the next ladder you will delegate. And then from there, you'll delegate leadership. Leadership being systems, operating system, the vision, the building the culture, the running the team, all of the things that factor into vision of a company. If you can do those 5 things, you will change your life forever. And those things are admin, fulfillment, marketing, sales, and leadership. Let's move into part 2. Now we need to talk about the most important things, or what are the opportunities to build around in 2024. I think one of the best opportunities is global talent. And global talent means virtual assistants around the world, people who are educated and trained who will work for a much lower dollar amount per hour than stateside US-based employees, and training them on a specific deliverable and selling them to US-based companies. Give you an example. I run a call center of about 200 agents around the world, and what we do is we find US companies who either need lead generation via cold calling, or what they need is inbound call answering, and we sell them a contract that allows them to use that labor to service their business. There's so many use cases like this. Let's say someone needs email marketing, they need customer success, they need bookkeeping. You can do a variety of you can literally pick a topic, become somewhat of an expert in it, find people that are great at that around the world, find US-based businesses that need it, and make a killing. This is called global wage arbitrage, and you're arbitraging the difference between what US people can pay, and you're going to find talented global talent to fulfill on that, and you're making the middle dollar amount. That is a huge way to capitalize in 2024. The second one is real estate, and I'm talking about a way to get into real estate without having to own an asset. The way you get into real estate is called wholesaling, essentially connecting a beat-up house and a seller that owns it with an investor and getting a fee for it. You don't have to have a real estate license. It's pretty easy to do, and I talk about that a lot on my real estate page. You can go back to one of my last videos and learn about that A to Z. But the reality is, you guys, passive income does not exist. You can build automated income by using the delegation ladder, and I think a great place if you're just starting your entrepreneurship journey is one of the two I just talked about. So hit the subscribe button. I come with more fire like this every single week on growing your business, learning about real estate, learning about global talent, and how you can crush business in 2024 and beyond.